Welcome to our guide on transforming your productivity with a simple yet powerful strategy, the 10-minute rule. Have you ever been paralyzed by the sheer size of a task or felt stuck before starting something new? Well, you're not alone. But imagine breaking down any daunting task into bite-sized, manageable chunks. Today, we'll explore how dedicating just 10 minutes can revolutionize your approach to work and life, turning overwhelming mountains into walkable hills. The 10-minute rule is all about conquering procrastination and jump-starting productivity by breaking tasks into 10-minute intervals. Instead of facing a monumental challenge, you commit to just 10 minutes of focused effort. It's about making an agreement with yourself to begin, and often, that's all it takes to keep the momentum going. Why does this work? It's simple. Starting is the hardest part. The 10-minute rule helps you overcome this barrier, leading to a higher sense of accomplishment, consistent work output, and the ability to tackle larger goals by dividing them into smaller, achievable tasks. Imagine applying this rule to everyday tasks: cleaning, writing reports, exercising, or reading. Just 10 minutes can turn dread into progress, making tasks less overwhelming and more doable. It's a game changer for productivity and building new habits. So, how can you incorporate the 10-minute rule into your daily routine? Unrubble is here to assist. This automatic time-tracking software is designed to support your new productive habit, making it effortless to stick to your 10-minute commitments. It's user-friendly and ideal for personal and professional tasks alike. The 10-minute rule is more than just a time management technique. It's a lifeline for those feeling overwhelmed by their tasks. By breaking down your work into small, manageable intervals, you not only enhance productivity, but also find joy in the process. Start small, think big, and watch as your tasks become more manageable and your days more productive. And remember, Unrubble is here to support your journey toward better time management and increased efficiency. Give it a try and discover how just 10 minutes can make a world of difference.